How we doing, everybody? It is Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy today, and we are going to be starting something a little bit new today. I know we've talked about it before, but we're going to go back to talking about money and our change. Okay, so we've been working with tens and ones, and well, money is very similar. We have some coins that are worth 10 cents. One coin that is worth one penny, which is a penny is worth 1 cent. And then we have a coin that is worth 5 cents. I want you guys to help me figure out which is which, okay? So I want to start by looking at this coin right here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for us, okay? So there are two sides to each coin. We call it heads and tails, all right? This is obviously the side with the head on it. That's why we call it head. And the opposite of head is the tail. So this is the tail side, which this can change sometimes between coins, but this is what you're going to see most of the time on this coin right here, and you're going to see this face on every one of these coins. This is a dime, okay? So this is a dime. I'm going to write that up here. D-I-M-E. And does anybody know how much a dime is worth? Okay? A dime is worth 10 cents. And this is how we write that. We write the number 10, and then the word cent begins with a C. So we put a C with a line through it. Just like you guys see the money sign, which is an S with a line through it. Cent or a C for cent, and then the line through it for cents. Okay? So we have a dime, which is 10 cents. Now, over here I have the sizes a little bit more accurate. A dime is worth 10 cents, but it is the smallest coin. It is very small. So a dime is, you can't just go off by size saying, oh, this is the smallest, so it's worth the least. Nope. Dime is the smallest and it's worth 10 cents. Okay? Then our next one is this right here. Does anybody know what kind of coin this is? I'll make it bigger for us. Okay, this is our only coin that's a different color. That's its copper color. This right here is our penny. All right, can we say penny with me? 1, 2, 3, penny. All right, so this is a penny. And it even says it on here, 1 cent. There's a hint. We can always look on the coins. If we don't know how much they're worth and you have a coin in your hand, it will tell you right on it how much it is. So this is 1 cent. Again, the head side of the coin, the tail side, okay? So each coin has two different sides. And we have a different person on this coin, okay? Usually you'll see faces of our presidents on the coin. Here we have Abraham Lincoln. And notice he's even facing a different way. Up here, facing the windows. You can't see, but my windows are over there. And then we have this coin facing that way, all right? So heads, tails, a penny. Does anybody know how much a penny is worth? How much money is it? A penny is worth 1 cent. So down here, I'm going to write penny equals 1 cent. All right. I'll put this one right up here. And then the next coin I have, I couldn't find a picture of its tail side, so I only have its head side, but here it is. This one is what we call a nickel, okay? So let me see if I can make these back to the actual size. Dimes are going to be really small. Pennies are going to be a little bit bigger than dimes. And then we have our nickel, okay? Let me write nickel. Sorry. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. So this is our nickel. This is obviously the head side because there is a head on this side, all right? Simple, easy to remember with that. And our nickels are going to be a little bit bigger than our penny and a little bit bigger than our dime. So this is out of these three, the nickel is the biggest. However, it's not worth the most. Does anybody know how much it's worth? Nickel is 5 cents. So we have a penny that is 1, a dime which is 10 cents, and a nickel which is 5 cents. Okay? All right. Then I have some things over here that we're going to use to solve some problems or to work through some problems. If I wanted to make 15 cents, what coins would I have to use, okay? So I don't want you guys can listen to me walk through this one. I want to make 15 cents. That's what I want to get to. Well, this is when it comes in handy when we know our basic math facts. Well, I know an easy way to make 15 with these numbers right here. Well, I can do 14 and 1. That makes 15. But I don't have a coin that's 14 cents. Okay, well, I know I could do 13 plus 2. Well, I don't have a coin that's worth 2 cents or 13 cents. So I need to use these numbers here. How can I make 15 using either 10, 1, and or 5? Well, let's see, 15. Let's throw a dime in there. I'll throw a dime in, boom. I got 10 cents. That's on my way to 15. To get from 10 to 15, I know 10 plus 5 equals 15. So I'll know I need a dime and a nickel. A dime, which is 10, plus a nickel, which is 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So then that's how we can get 15 cents. Okay? Is there another way we can get 15? Other than 10 and a 5. I'll make this a little bit bigger so it looks like a nickel. I can get 15 another way. I could use... Let's get more nickels. Hold on, give me 1 second. Boom. And boom. Okay, now I have some more nickels. I know that I can get to 15 by counting by 10 and then adding a 5. Or if I'm looking at 10, well, I know 2 5s make up a 10. So I can get rid of my dime and I could throw in 2 nickels. So now it's 5 plus 5 plus 5. We got 5, 10, 15. So there's another way we could make 15. Okay? But how about this? If I have 2 nickels and a penny, how much change do I have? If I have 2 nickels and a penny. Well, let's look up here. How much is a nickel worth again? Nickel is 5 cents. So we have 5 cents. This is 5 cents. Is this 5 cents? No, that's not 5 cents. Let's see. Okay, that's a penny. Let's go. A penny is 1 cent. All right, so this is 1 cent. Okay, so I have 5 cents, and 1 cent. Well, to figure out how much I have all together, we add them up. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So here's 10 cents. So 10 cents plus 1 cent equals 10 plus 1 is 11. So we have 11 cents right there. Let's try another one. I'm going to throw some more coins up here. I want you to try and figure out how much money we have, how many cents. So let's see. Let's do this. I'm going to, oopsies. I'm going to bring these. We'll call this 2 dimes right here. Plus a nickel. I gotta make these a little smaller. I'm gonna make them, remember dimes are the smallest ones. Nickel and then a penny. Okay, so I have dime, dime, nickel, penny. Let's figure out how much all this is. Oopsies. Come on. Wow, this doesn't want to move. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So how much is a dime worth again? A dime is 10 cents. So we have 10 cents. Another 10 cents. Then our nickel. Nickel is something different. Nickel is 5 cents. And our penny is 1. So we have 10 plus 5 plus 1. Just gotta add them all up. Let's count by tens for this. 10, 20. Okay, so now we have 20 cents right here, plus our nickel, plus 5. What's 20 plus 5? Well, 20's got no ones, and we're adding 5 ones. So 20 plus 5 is 25. And then we have 1, so 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1 is 26. And remember, it's 26 cents. We can't just put 26. So I don't know if you're talking about $26, 26 pounds, 26 dogs. I don't know. I do know, though, if you put your cent symbol there, I know you're talking about money. Okay? All right. Hold on. So really quickly, how much is a dime worth again? 10 cents. Very good. How much is a penny worth? How much is a penny worth? Penny is worth 1 cent. And which one is a penny? Is this the penny right here? Nope, that's not the penny. Remember, our penny is our copper colored one. Is the only coin that color. Every other coin is the silver color. All right, so dime, 10 cents. This is the dime. Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. Okay? Those are the only coins we're working with today. I got one more for you before we're done. I'm going to put some coins up here. I want you to tell me how much money I have. Well, you know what? Let's figure out how much money we got on this board completely. So let's go like this. I want to put them in order from how much they're worth. So we got 2 dimes right there, plus 1 more. So we got 3 dimes, 3 nickels. All right, perfect. 3 of everything. 3 pennies. Boom, we're going to figure out how much all this is. So let's start with our dimes, okay? How much is a dime worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. So we have 10, 10, and 10. So it's like 10 plus 10 plus 10. Let's count by tens and we're all right below it how much we have. 10, 20, 30. 3 tens equals 30. Nice. So we have 30 cents in dimes. We're going to have to add it to however many cents we have in nickels. How much is 1 nickel worth? 1 nickel is 5 cents. So we have 5, 5, and 5. So let's count by 5s to see how many this is. Ready? 5, 10, 15. So we have 30 cents in dimes plus 15 cents in nickels. And then how much is 1 penny worth? 1 penny is worth 1 cent. So we have 1 cent, 1 cent, and 1 cent. What's 1 plus 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. So we have 3 cents in pennies. So 30 cents plus 15 cents plus 3 cents. All right. Well, we got to do 30 and 15. Those are two bigger numbers. So I'm going to do that up here, and I'm going to do it the way where we put the number on top of the other one. We're going to add down 0 tens or 0 ones plus 5 ones is 5 ones. I don't have to carry a 1 because we don't have a group of 10 to carry over, so we just write 5 in there. Then I have 3 tens plus 1 10 is 4 tens. So 30 plus 15 is 45. However, I'm not done. I have to do 45 plus our 3 pennies over here. So we're going to do 45 plus 3. Well, let's just count on in our head. 45, 46, 47, 48. Are we done? Is that our answer? Almost. Can't forget our unit of measurement. 48 cents. That how much money we have on this board right here with all our coins. Awesome. So remember, a dime is 10 cents. It is our smallest coin. Then we have a penny, which is 1 cent. That is our only coin that is copper, that brownish color. Then we have our nickel, which is 5 cents. Awesome job today, everybody. We're going to continue working a little bit more with money. We're going to be figuring out how, doing just like we did when we have a certain amount of coins, we're going to count them up. And then we're going to also do some more problems like we started out with, where I give you a number and we got to figure out which coins we're going to use to get there. Okay? Awesome job, everybody. Good luck with your homework, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.